Here we go. Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 3211 Northwest 71st. Date is May 5th, 2020. Pulling back from the Seattle City main. So we are looking at the Seattle City main there, running up and down 71st Northwest out there. So we're going to come back from here. This is 6-inch clay pipe going into 6-inch plastic pipe. So somebody's done a little repair out there under the street at some point. 6-inch plastic coming into 6-inch concrete pipe here. And we're coming back through the 6-inch concrete now. So we had massive roots at each one of these joints. And we've spent, I don't know, 6+ hours doing jetting out here.
12 hours.
12 hours of jetting.
How are you?
Good. How we doing? 12 hours of jetting here, and we are coming back. There's still a little bit of roots here, but we have cut out a significant portion of what was massive root intrusion. So coming back now, we come through a little bit of a flat spot in the line down towards the sidewalk area. We got a little bit of sewage built up, but we're flowing through there. I believe we're back in 4-inch concrete now. A little bit tough to tell the diameter with this sitting water in here. Coming back around another turn here. Again, a little bit of sitting water in the pipe, not the end of the world, but not exactly ideal, especially with this old concrete, kind of rough aggregate bottom of the pipe. So here we got good grade coming now. No sitting water, that means we're all flowing downhill at this point, which indicates me we're in good shape there. Little minor roots coming in here. And there's just a lot of foliage and trees over there on that side of the house that allow these roots to come in every couple of feet on these seams in the pipe. So as we come back, sooner than later, we're going to come into our liner. At some point here, we're coming along the west side of the house. Here we go. Coming back into our new flow installed liner here. So 4-inch new flow installed liner. Which is going to come back around a corner turn that was broken. It's been repaired with plastic. So as we come back here, here's our turn. We repaired this section with plastic. So new plastic pipe at the turn. Also installed a clean out there. Then we're coming into more new flow liner that's going to bring us right back into this repair that I'm recording from. So we're now back into the plastic repair here. We lipped the liner right into the repair, so one smooth transition there, and coming out of the clean out. There is our clean out. You got to look at the rest of the line. You can see what Bob Oates did here during the project, and I'm going to wrap the video up and end it there.